is my finished results of the Southwestern hummus. I added some sesame seed oil in the middle of it. And man, it is delicious. It's delicious. So I'm dedicating this, like I said, to my friend Moose down under and Mrs. Moose. I want to dedicate this hummus. I've seen that hummus recipe that you did, Moose, and I wanted to do it too. So I went on and done it. This is Sandra. I want to tell you happy eating. So after this presentation, I will show you how to do the Southwestern hummus. And I'm going to taste it on these little, I found these little old fire roasted jalapeno pita chips by Stacy. And it tastes so good. So with the rest of the hummus, you can put them in the refrigerator and it stays about 3 or 4 days, I believe. But listen, these are good with this jalapeno, y'all. These jalapeno pita chips is delicious with this hummus. This is Sandra. I want to say happy eating and thank you for coming to my channel. All right, this is Sandra. I'm here again with another recipe, and this recipe is by Southwestern hummus. I am copying off of my good friend Moose, and Mrs. Moose is down below. And I wanted to do one of those hummus. They did one of those down below hummus. I'm gonna do one of those hummus for the Southwestern up in the States, y'all. So I'm dedicating this hummus to them, Miss Moose, Moosey, and then Mr. Moose. Okay, this is the hummus here. Now these are the gonzo beans. Now I was looking at the gonzo beans and I said, well, the gonzo beans is really the chickpeas. So I found that out. This is my first time doing a hummus, but I love Southwestern hummus. And I'm sure we could do that. So what we did is drain some of the juice like Moose did. He drained some of the juice in case we need some. So we're gonna pour them in this blender here, and then we'll be right back and let you see what it looked like. All right, we got the chickpeas in the blender, so I'm gonna add some salt. Add salt. I like salt in mine. I'm gonna add some. Let's see. I'm gonna add some this roasted garlic herbs, just like this. Good bit of it, just good plenty like this. That's so what I'm doing. I love a little plenty, so I'm putting a little plenty in there, just like this. See that how much I'm putting in there? Okay, and then I'm gonna use some pepperino. Just a little pepperino goes in there, y'all. Just a little. See that in there? Pepperino. And we'll put some chili powder. Like that. I'm going to put some cumin. So put some cumin in there, y'all. Cumin is good. I love cumin. Put some cumin in there. Southwestern now, y'all. Some cumin. Not too much. And then we're going to add some garlic. We're going to put some garlic in here, y'all. About a big old spoonful like that of garlic. And then we're going to add 1/3 cup of lemon juice. And then we're going to add some olive oil. Just enough drizzle olive oil in there, just like that. And then we're going to add some salsa. About 2 teaspoons of salsa in there, y'all. Southwestern, y'all. And we're going to blend this up. That's what it looks like. We're going to blend it up, be right back. Hand sticky. Can't touch it off, y'all. Wait. Ooh. Oh, this is something else. Let's see. All right. This is our finished results of our hummus. I want everyone to look and see how beautiful the color came out. It is very delicious. So we're going to put it in containers and let's see what it does now. I'm dedicating this to my friend Moose down under and Mrs. Moose, because Mrs. Moose is so smart. Moose asked Miss Moose some questions and she tell him just the answer. Miss Moose, you are smart. We'll be right back with the finished results.